Hey everybody! Justin Cena here. How's it going? I got a great video for you today. I'm going to be talking about how you can use video to increase your Shopify conversion rate. And this is going to be something super unique. It's going to really help you out regardless of what stage you're in your business, because any business could increase their conversion rate and make more money. Right? It doesn't matter if you have a 1% conversion rate, a 2%, a 10%, a 50%. If you increase that conversion rate, you're simply going to make more money. And I'm going to show you some strategies here of how you can use video to increase that Shopify conversion rate. So let's jump right into it right now. Now, when it comes to video, there's a lot of different benefits that you're going to be able to receive when you start using it correctly in your Shopify store. And first of all, I want to talk about trust. Okay, video builds trust, and I think that's pretty obvious when you just think about it. You know, let's say you have a static photo or you have a really in-depth video. Let's say it's an ad or a product that you're describing or showing. Obviously, you could show more, you could sell more with a video, right? You could just simply get a higher quality customer, or at least a higher perceived value when you're using video in your store. And with all other things equal, right? Same targeting, same products, same store, right? A video is going to convert higher than a photo, right? It's going to happen every single time. If you have a video ad, it's going to work better than a photo ad. It's going to even be cheaper for you to show. If you have a product video, it's going to convert higher than a product photo, right? You could see more. Again, you could sell more with a video. You could increase your branding with a video, right? You can give a voice and an aesthetic, and you could really sell to your customer or to your potential customer, say, hey, this is the feeling that I'm selling, right? Of course, you could sell the product, but you could also sell the feeling, which is a super powerful buyer psychology you could put them in, right? You could do a video add to cart versus, your just basic add to cart, and I'll show you that later on in this video. You could have testimonial videos, right? If you have testimonial videos, those will definitely outperform your testimonial photos, right? Great videos, they're simply going to build trust. They're going to increase your branding. They're going to give that really defined voice and feeling that you could start associating your brand with, and that's how you build a brand, right? You have some consistent messaging, consistent look and feel, consistent video style, consistent music, all that stuff that really builds to that feeling that you want to build with your brand. And video helps you do that, of course, by increasing conversion rate, by increasing trust, all things that are going to literally just make you more money. And video, of course, also increases engagement. The data speaks for itself here, right? You could put a video up against a photo every single time. Let's say you're promoting a dropship product or a print-on-demand product. You'll see the data will always show you that videos are going to get more engagements. And with Facebook ads, video also gives you cheaper views, right? The CPM, the actual cost to show the ad, is significantly lower if you have a video versus a photo. So, that should be the first reason, the ASAP reason why you want to start using video across your marketing and across your store. Of course, you could reuse videos in multiple places. You create a really nice product video, and you could use it in multiple spots, in an ad, for video add to cart, in email marketing, on your YouTube, all those great things. And adding a video to different portions of your Shopify store can simply bring your entire store to life. Right? Again, you compare it to a basic photo of a product or a video of a product, right? Even if it's a video slideshow, it's still very powerful because it builds that engagement, it increases time on site, it increases, again, the interactivity between the customer and your brand, which are all things that are just going to simply make you more money, right? And the cool thing is video is typically unique to your brand, so it's very hard to be copied, right? People are not just going to be able to swipe your video like they could your photo or your ad photo or your product photos, right? Let's say you do a video add to cart. Going to be totally unique to your products and your brand, so it can't just be swiped and reused by your competition. So you have some built-in kind of a little built-in wall for creating these assets and then having them be unique to your brand, which takes it even a step further. So there are tons of different places to integrate video in your business, and I'm going to show you a really unique one later on in this video. But of course, Facebook and Instagram ads, that's the most common, right? You probably already know that. Probably already know that you should be using video for your Facebook and your Instagram ads. It's a no-brainer. It's just going to be cheaper and more engaging. Now, doing a video add to cart integration, highly recommended. I do this myself, and I'm going to show you this in the video. This is a super, super unique way to integrate video into your business. And the bottom line is this is going to help you make a lot of money. It's really going to increase your conversion rate and set you apart from your competition. So I'll show you that over the shoulder in a little bit, but there's more as well. Product pages, right? How about we use our video on our product pages? Of course, we could have photo as well, but let's show some product page video as well. Really sell the product. We could add music, add feeling, add aesthetic, add the voice that we want our brand to kind of portray. testimonial videos, right? Nothing is more powerful. Let's say you're selling t-shirts, right? And you can get a photo of, your customer wearing the shirt. That would be super powerful. But what about a video that you could reuse for an ad or something like that, or you could repurpose on your site or in your blog or in your email marketing or on your YouTube? Testimonial videos are worth their weight in gold. They're very, very valuable. And just another reason to be integrating video into your Shopify business. And I've even seen some people do some really cool about us / our team videos, just kind of giving a little background on what's going on in the business, who's running it, why they're so passionate about it, and why they can trust them. Again, another way to integrate video into your business. All of these are super powerful ways to increase that trust, to increase that conversion rate, and simply make more money when you're using video. And that's what the strategy is all about. We're not just making video because we want to, test the waters and see if video performs well. We know it does, right? This is not just a strategy that I use. This is a strategy that everyone who's doing big money online is using. Video is nothing new. We just need to make sure that we integrate it in the right way, in the most unique ways that are going to help us make some money. So I want to show you how you could increase conversion rate instantly with an app and a strategy called Video Add to Cart. And you see the link over there on your screen, vaetas.com. Video Add to Cart. I'm going to go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you all about this and how I use this and why I highly recommend it. So let's go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you the Video Add to Cart strategy right now. Here is a super unique way of using video to increase your conversion rate. And this is specific to Shopify. There's a Shopify app that I'm going to show you in a second. But really the easiest way for me to show you is to just show you this demo video. And I'll kind of walk you through what's going on in this video. And really the idea here is that this is a video add to cart call to action. And by that I mean you could see that you could watch a video. There's a couple different ways that you could embed a video on any page. You could even embed it into an email if you're doing email marketing. Basically you get people to watch the video, and you see over here, this is a normal video. It's full screen, but on top of it, embedded on top of it, this is what the app does, creates this buy now button. Also a buy now button at the end of the video as well if they do watch it all the way through. And you notice if they click the button, it actually takes them directly to checkout, right? We skip the cart, right? The video was basically the add to cart. So this is called the Video Add to Cart app for Shopify. Again, it creates product videos. You can embed them, of course, directly on the product page. And the buy button is embedded directly on top of that. You see it right here on the bottom of the video. And that, when clicked, brings them over into the actual checkout. So skipping the cart, going right to the checkout. So I'll show you the Shopify app in a second. A lot of great testimonials. The bottom line is that it really does shorten the sales cycle. Obviously, it removes an entire step in terms of the cart. But more importantly, you could create a very curated look. And I'll give you a couple of examples as we go through this. But this can be really highly used or used very well by any type of product that has multiple images, because all you need to do is just have a couple images to create a animated slideshow. And it's an add to cart experience. It's a purchase experience that is super unique and really adds trust, because the fact is you get to show more of the product. So these add to cart videos, super powerful. Here's the app over here. Perfect 5 out of 5-star review. Again, talking about shortening the sales cycle, reducing friction to buy, improving the buyer experience, making everything more engaging, right? These are all obviously some of the benefits of using this, like I said, this really unique way to get people to add product to not only to their cart, but directly into the checkout. So minimizing or removing that extra step. So, you can take a look at this. Really kind of the way that you'll be using it, animated slideshows or videos. If you already have videos produced, you can create animated slideshows just based off of your product imagery. So print on demand, people who don't even have the product. That's how I use it, using the animated slideshows. You'll just be able to use your product images. Even if you use mock-ups from something like Placeit, you could still just have whatever you use for your product imagery or even external imagery that you have. You could just turn that into a slideshow and then create that slideshow, or that the app actually creates the video out of the slideshow with the buy button on top of it. You can embed this into a lot of different places. For example, email marketing. Obviously, the kind of the most obvious example is embedding it directly onto the product page. So you can have another section directly in the product description where they can go ahead and click this. They'll be able to watch and then buy now directly from the video. This is kind of the back end of how you add things, how you create your product slideshow. But the bottom line is it's a direct button for action, similar to your add to cart button. In fact, it goes a step further than your add to cart button. It actually is the cart itself. It goes right to checkout. Okay, so it goes directly to checkout in terms of the purchase flow. And really, I think the most obvious example in terms of how this can be used, right? You have print on demand, any niche, right? Let's just say you're in the dog niche, for example. Okay, you're in the dog niche and you see right here, literally just multiple images of, this is a drop shipped product of a wallet, right? But let's say it's a t-shirt, right? You could show a t-shirt, you could show a tank top, you could show a hoodie, or you could show mock-ups with one person, you could show a family, you could show a bunch of friends, right? Showing different mock-ups creates that photo slideshow, okay? They do it automatically through video add to cart. And then they have a buy now button that goes directly into the checkout, right? You see this is the Shopify checkout, and it goes directly into that checkout page after the buy now button, right, immediately. So that's the kind of the power of this. It's a little bit more of an intimate experience, and you get to typically not be able to take part of that if you are doing drop shipping or if you're doing print on demand, because you don't have the video asset, right? It might be hard to get a good video, but with this, you could easily do it with just some nice mock-ups. They create that automatic product slideshow. So again, this could work for any niche doing print on demand. This could work for any niche doing drop shipping. So I really want you to check it out. You see the link below this video. Make sure you go ahead and install video add to cart. You see the app over here. Get it over here. It's got a 5 out of 5 star review. On the Shopify App Store, you get a 15-day free trial as well. So highly recommend it. I use it myself. Really a unique way to kind of create that intimate add to cart experience. It also skips a step, which is pretty awesome too, increasing that conversion rate. So check it out. I hope it helps you make some money, and I'll talk to you real soon.